Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the Minecraft connection. Timed out error getsockopt. Alright, let's begin. First, go to your Start menu, search for CMD, and select Run as Administrator. In the window, type ipconfig/flush DENS and press Enter. After that, close the window. Now, go back to the Start menu, search for Control Panel, and open it. Make sure View By is set to Large Icons, then click on Network and Sharing Center. From the left panel, select Change Adapter Settings, locate your active network, like Wi-Fi, right-click on it, and choose Properties. From the list, click on Internet Protocol version 4 and then click Properties. At the bottom, select Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter 8888 and 8844. Press OK and close all windows. Next, search for Windows Defender Firewall, click Allow an app or feature, then Change Settings. Scroll down and ensure both Minecraft and Minecraft Launcher have private and public boxes checked. Also, look for Java or java.exe and do the same. So that's basically how you can fix the Minecraft connection timed out error getsockopt. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.